Lovely, welcome in a new lecture of the lectures of Coptic language. In today's lectures, we are going to talk about the relative pronoun. The relative pronoun in English language is that, what, which, and in Coptic or who. In Coptic language, we have it, ete, and if, with the meaning of that or what or who or which. It or it in front of the verb as a subject or in front of a preposition, and it's becomes in front of a verb also, or a noun, or a preposition, but when they begin with any of the letters of making the word بالمنور. They can be combined with the subject pronoun, which when they become eti, etic, ete, etif, etis, etin, etetin, etu. With the meaning, I am the person who, you who, you who for female, he who, she who, we who, you who, they who. It can be also combined with the verb to be, and be plus it and becomes bit. And sometimes it's defined as be for masculine and it, but most people agree it's be verb to be and plus it becomes bit. It means who is, or that is, or which is. The relative pronoun sometimes used as conjunction related to the place. It means where, and sometimes also it means when. We have here some examples about the relative pronouns. Here we read from the Bible: Bima etik o hirak hiyotv o kahif o wabbe. It means the place. B means the ma place. Etik, where you. Ohi, stand. Irat, on your feet. Hiyot, on. If it. O, a. Kahi, land. If means it is. And we have talked about the a before. When it's followed by a pronoun, it means being in the state of, or being in the condition of. Owab, it means holy. B. We have another usage of it. Here we use it before a preposition. بنيوت تخن في قوي, our father who in the heavens. Ben means our, Yod father, it who, chen in, ni the, feo it means heavens. Here we talk when it is compound between verb to be and it and becomes bet, and we here find it compound with the pronouns fi and thi and ni, fi it, si it, ni it. It means that who or those who. That who for masculine, that who for feminine, and those who for plural. An example for the usage of is with a word beginning with in. بالمنور we have said the words which turn the T into theta. So with the example say nim isna tami aram jesara tichi in oalo. Who that will inform Abraham that Sarah breastfeeds a child. Nim who is that na will tam inform Abraham. J that Sarah teach it means breastfeeding in indicator of complement. U alo it means a child or a little boy or a little girl. It depends on the article preceding it. If it is a masculine article, it means a little boy. It's a feminine article, it means a little girl. Another example using bet. In sok bet I nav erok in ismi in baemto in ikhrichin by go. It means you, that is, I, it means I have, nav, it means seen, erok, you, in indication of an adjective or complement. اسمي it means righteous. إمبا إمسو it means in front of. In خريخين it means inside. By it means this. Go it means in ground. And we have translated here the word go with the word ground for to be similar to the other translations, but usually go means generation or means a period of time. Another example, when we use it as في8 في ب في8 كوتي بقاهي تيرف. This is the two Koti surrounds him, indication of a complement, if the kahi earth, tir or if it. We have here the translation of 80 with as when. So we have here katanai ro on asna shobi khin bi ho 80 ibshiri em fromi not sure be evolen khitf. Even so it shall be in the day when the Son of Man is revealed, or in the day in which the Son of Man will be revealed. So we have here translated it as when, and the translation of it word by word. Kata means as, naizos ro also on and again, as it means she in past tense, and it or it in past tense. Na would shobi be, khen in be the ehu day 80 when or which, if the shiri son, of if the Romi man, na will chorb evolved means reveal, in heat in if it. You can find today's lecture on the website YouTube CEC, and you can find it in archive details Coptic channel, whether in Arabic or in English, and you can find the fonts related to and the slides related to it. وشبه mod, thanks, chatting avero tin bosh sneo, until seeing you next lesson.